What if your literature review could go from weeks to minutes? AI tools are reshaping academic research, and one platform drawing major attention is AnswerThis.io. It helps users find papers, build structured literature reviews, and manage citations more efficiently. In this video, we'll look at how it works, what makes it valuable, and whether it can truly improve how researchers handle literature reviews.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
First, click the link in the video description to open the official Answer This website. On the homepage, you'll quickly see that this is not just another AI writing tool. It is a dedicated academic research platform built to help scholars, researchers, and students manage the growing complexity of academic literature. The platform can help you discover and retrieve peer-reviewed papers, generate structured and citation-rich literature reviews, identify research gaps in a field, interact with papers through an intelligent chat interface, extract and synthesize data from multiple studies at once, and paraphrase or summarize complex academic material with precision. It also provides output examples so you can preview the quality and structure of the documents it generates. Today, our main goal is to create a comprehensive literature review, which is one of the most demanding parts of any academic research project. A strong literature review does more than summarize previous studies. It critically evaluates, synthesizes, and places prior research in context to build a theoretical foundation and justify the need for new research. To get started, click the Literature Review option from the main menu. In the prompt bar, enter your research topic clearly and specifically. For this tutorial, I'll use Systematic Analysis of Renewable Energy. This topic connects environmental science, energy policy, and sustainable development, making it a rich and highly relevant subject for academic study. Just below the prompt bar, you'll see several customization options that give you strong control over the scope and quality of the literature review. First, you can select specific academic papers to include, so important or highly relevant studies are not missed. You can also use your personal library, which is especially helpful if you are building on earlier work or using an established theoretical framework. In addition, the platform lets you upload your own research paper files, making it easy to include sources you have already collected. From there, you can shape the structure of the review by adjusting the number of main sections and subtopics per section, so the output matches your research goals or the requirements of a target journal. You can also set the minimum number of citations to make sure the review meets academic standards. For content type, you can include general articles, review articles, preprints, books, and book chapters, giving your review a broader and more balanced perspective. Finally, turn on the web search feature and set your publication date range. For this tutorial, I'll limit the search to papers published between 2010 and 2026, so the review reflects the most current and relevant developments in renewable energy. Once all settings are ready, click Submit Search. The platform will immediately process your request, and within seconds, a curated list of relevant sources will appear. This speed comes from advanced natural language processing and semantic search algorithms that go far beyond basic keyword matching. The system understands the conceptual meaning of your topic and finds studies that are genuinely relevant to your research. You will then see a comprehensive list of studies related to your topic. By clicking on any study, you can open its full details, including the article title, journal, detailed abstract, and in many cases, the full manuscript. This makes it possible to evaluate each source carefully before it becomes part of your literature review, helping maintain the academic integrity of your work. Once the literature review has been generated, you'll receive a well-structured, coherent, and citation-rich manuscript that follows academic writing conventions. At this point, one of the most useful features becomes available: changing the citation style. Since journals and institutions often require different formats, AnswerThis supports a wide range of citation styles, including APA, MLA, Chicago, Harvard, and more. For instance, if you switch to APA, the in-text citations and the reference list are automatically reformatted across the full manuscript. This saves significant time and reduces the chance of citation mistakes. On the right side of the interface,
You can review the full list of cited papers along with their abstracts and bibliographic details, making it easier to check the relevance and credibility of each source. You can also refine the reference list using filters such as most cited studies, publication year, and source type, and export references in multiple formats, including CSV, Zotero integration, or manual export, depending on your preferred workflow.
Below the manuscript, Answer This provides advanced analytical tools that make it much more than a simple writing assistant. The interactive chat feature lets you have a scholarly dialogue directly with the cited papers, ask focused questions, and extract specific insights without reading every paper in full. You can also generate structured tables to organize and compare findings across multiple studies, which is especially useful in systematic reviews and meta-analyses. One of the most valuable features is the bibliometric analysis tool. After clicking it, within a few seconds, you'll see a rich visual analysis of the academic landscape around your topic. This includes publication trends by year, citation frequency by year, and combined publication and citation trend graphs. In this example, the data shows that research on renewable energy began gaining strong momentum from 2010 onward, with 2024 standing out as the peak year for both publications and citations. That clearly reflects the increasing urgency and academic attention in this field. The bibliometric analysis also identifies top contributing authors, leading journals, and the broader citation impact of the selected studies, giving you a macro-level view of the intellectual landscape surrounding your topic. Beyond literature generation, Answer This includes several additional features that make it highly valuable for academic researchers. You can keep searching for and adding new papers as your project develops, and you can generate a citation map that visually shows relationships and cross-references among studies. This is especially useful for identifying clusters of related work and possible research gaps. Most importantly, the platform includes a built-in AI writer, available through the Edit with AI Writer option. This opens a dedicated editing space where you can refine the wording, reorganize arguments, strengthen transitions between sections, and adapt the manuscript to match the style and formatting requirements of your target journal or institution. When you're satisfied with the final result, you can download the manuscript in multiple formats, including PDF and DOCX, or share it with collaborators or supervisors through a shareable link, with the option to keep it private or make it publicly accessible. In summary, Answer This is a highly powerful and academically advanced platform that simplifies one of the most time-consuming parts of the research process. As shown in this tutorial, it can generate a comprehensive, well-cited, and clearly structured literature review based on a diverse set of peer-reviewed sources, helping you build a strong and evidence-based academic argument. Whether you are a postgraduate student, an early career researcher, or an experienced academic, Answer This can significantly improve both the efficiency and quality of your research output. Try this tool via the provided link in description. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on cutting-edge AI tools for academic research.